Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another hair video for you guys. I created this kind of big soft wave look that is so easy to do just using the flat iron. So if you guys haven't already, it would be so amazing if you could subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I created these big soft waves, then just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start off by just spraying my hair all over with the extra strong Moroccan oil hairspray just to protect my hair and also help with the flat iron. Using hairspray is going to give a lot more hold, and I love the Moroccan oil. For an extra strong hairspray, it's still very workable and it smells incredible. Alright, now that I have it half up, I'm going to spray it again just for extra protection. And I'm going to just take really large sections and just start bending the flat iron 3 times. So I'm going to start at the root, give a big bend, as big as I can, and then in the middle I'm going to dip down, and then at the end I'm going to curl under, and I almost knocked the camera down. And then I'm going to start again using the same pattern and just creating those big bends. I've been loving wearing my hair like this for the summertime. It's just such an easy, relaxed wave and just looks so effortless, and it holds really well throughout the next few days. So I'm just creating the same pattern throughout, same big sections, and this piece is not working because, I don't have my flat iron on. Yep, don't have my flat iron on. Okay, I'm going to restart that. It is working. Alright, now that I have my flat iron back on, I am just continuing to create that big S pattern in the hair. If you're getting any kinks in it, sometimes I go through and I'll get a kink in it, and you just kind of gotta go over the hair and just smooth out those pieces again. Alright, when you're bringing the flat iron to the root, you really want to start to pull up to give you a nice amount of volume, and also to start the curl there. So really bring the flat iron up and out when you're at the root section. As you can see, I have a few kinks in my hair here, so I'm just going to go over them and just kind of smooth them out, just so you can get that nice S pattern in the hair. And it's just going to be the same technique on the other side. if you did a nice far over side part and followed the same pattern along, and you could kind of create like those soft Hollywood glam waves, and it would look really nice. So this little guy on the end here was not cooperating with me at all. So if you get pieces like that, you can just kind of straighten them out a bit and again, you can see I have some kinks in the hair here, so I'm just gonna go over them again and just kind of lightly now for my bang pieces. I'm gonna curl those back. I'm not gonna create the big swoop, the big S wave. I'm just gonna curl those pieces back because it just blends into the hair so much better, and it just looks nicer to have those front pieces coming back. Touching up any pieces that I need to touch up, and tucking away pieces that I need to tuck away, and I'm just gonna give another touch of the hairspray to set it, and then it will be done. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I absolutely love this hairstyle. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.